welcome to this particular video. So on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about the SoSovalue airdrop. All right, so we are going to be talking about the latest airdrop and of course how you can be able to join to claim the 150 million SoSovalue airdrop that's about to be distributed to the people who are going to be participating both on the testnet and also on the mainnet. All right, so right now watch the video till the end because the snapshot right here is about to be taken. We are going to be discussing about the snapshot and we are going to be talking about what you need to do right now to get yourself positioned for the airdrop that is coming for the SoDex. All right, so the SoDex airdrop is very different from the actual EXP airdrop. Okay, so the EXP airdrop is the airdrop that people who are actually claiming points is going to be getting, and that is totally different from the SoDex airdrop. All right, so SoDex airdrop is actually airdrop that is to be distributed to those who are participating on the testnet and also on the mainnet. We are going to be talking about that as well. So but before I'll go ahead and talk about this, you are coming over here to the EXP airdrop. I don't know how far you may have gone yet on it, but I still highly recommend that you keep on claiming your daily EXP points. If you have if you have stopped claiming, you need to make sure you are claiming every single day. All these daily packs right here, you need to make sure you complete as many as possible. Also, we have daily check-in. It's very important, and we also have the affiliate program which is currently ongoing. All right, so when you're registering, try to use a referral code so that you are going to be getting bonus. All right, so over here, this is my referral code right here. If you care, the link is going to be right there, and also you can use this referral code to get yourself started. All right, so but EXP part of the airdrop is not what we are going to be talking about on this particular video. We are going to be talking about something totally different. We are not going to be talking about the EXP airdrop. All right, so to kick off with the major plan for today's video, which is of course the SoDex airdrop, it is very important that we discuss this latest update right here. Okay, so over here, this is the SoDex testnet airdrop, and they say that it is coming, and right here, this is what they say right here, and I'm going to be reading it out right now. It says, thank you for being an essential part of the SoDex testnet. Your early support has been invaluable, and your reward are just around the corner. Now over here, they are trying to thank you for being part of the testnet, and over here they said right here, claim your reward. Snapshot date is February 10th, meaning that about 7 days from now the snapshot is going to be taken, and of course you are also going to be claiming your airdrop 3 days after. You can see the claim starts on the 13th of February 2026 on 12:00 hours universal time. Now what this simply means that if you have been actively trading on the testnet, if you have been trading on the testnet and accumulating points, then you should be ready to actually claim both your testnet reward. And over here they said the eligibility is that those who are the top tier testnet contributor and active user. So you have been actively using the SoDex point, you should be accumulating points right here, but over here my points is not showing right here. Okay, but over here right now it is all very simple, and what you need to do right now, if you're watching this video, is you need to accumulate as many points as possible. Even if you haven't started yet, you still have a little time window, about 7 days, to accumulate as many points as possible. Now over here they said, pro tips: boost your testnet reward through mainnet activity. All actions taken before the snapshot will be factored into your final reward eligibility. Now they said right here that whatever you are doing right now is going to be counting towards your final reward eligibility. Now it simply means that even if you haven't started accumulating any points yet, even if you haven't started trading on the testnet yet, there is still a chance for you to actually accumulate reward. There's still chance for you to actually accumulate reward, because the snapshot is not yet taken, and since the snapshot hasn't been taken, it simply means that we have time for we have time to actually trade, and of course accumulate high volume, and also accumulate enough points that's going to be qualifying us for the airdrop. Okay, so over here right now, before you can start trading on the testnet, you need to make sure that you have connected your wallet. All right, so you can see over here I have about 997 USDC right here. Those are not refund because sorry, this is of course testnet. All right, and if you want to be getting this total amount of USDC, you simply need to head over here to the faucet. When you come over here to the faucet, then you can simply apply for the wait list, and once you apply for the wait list, and you are going to be given over 1,000 around 1,000 USDC for free that you can use for the trading. All right, you can use it only for trading. You can see over here you can actually claim even multiple times. You can see right here I'm claiming over 1,000 USDC. It is of course a testnet token. They do not hold any actual value. All right, they are testnet token. It doesn't hold any actual value. All right, so right now once you claim it, you are going to be taken back to the point where you can actually make trade. Of course, to be able to accumulate enough points, you can only make trades to accumulate points, but on the previous video that I made, I couldn't accumulate enough points from then, simply because I was busy creating content. I mean, it's just crazy. So but I'm going to be trying my possible best to accumulate as many points as possible. To be able to trade, you simply need to select whether you want to long or short. Then you select the percentage of your wallet that you want to use for this trade. This is of course tested token. It is not advised to use this much for trading. All right, so from there you can then go ahead and I need to be buying instead of selling. Okay, so I'll be using 50%. Of course, this is testnet token, not mainnet. It doesn't hold any actual value, so I'll just buy with 50% of my total portfolio. You can see it has dropped. So this is on spot, but if you want to be getting even a higher volume, you come over here to futures, and over here on futures you can simply transfer funds from your testnet wallet to the future account. So I'll be transferring about $500. This is testnet token. It doesn't hold any actual value. Remember, you can actually go to the mainnet, and of course you can go to the mainnet and trade right there, because trading on mainnet actually boosts your airdrop point, and in return it increases your own airdrop allocation. Okay, and after you must have transferred your funds right here, you can go ahead and long or short, select your leverage. Then you can actually adjust whether you want to use cross margin or isolated margin. Of course, cross margin is going to be using your wallet balance to keep a kind of suppressing your liquidation point, and cross isolated margin actually it allows only the fund that you use to position for the trade to be used for the trade. Okay, so right now I'll be going with cross margin. This is testnet fund. It doesn't hold any actual value. If I lose it, I don't really care. So over here right now I will click on buy, and immediately my order is going to be submitted and my trade is going to start running. So now let me take you to the main thing. You need to let me show you something here real quick. So like from what they said right here, they said that to boost your earning, you need to trade on the mainnet. All right, so remember, snapshot date is February 10th. Claim of the airdrop is on February 13th. Like I told you guys earlier, this is different from the point, normal exp point. The sodex airdrop is different from the exe point airdrop. So over here, this is of course the mainnet, and over here on the mainnet, when you come over here, you need to first connect your wallet. Then you can decide to deposit and trade. This video is not a financial advice. Remember, this is just for educational and entertainment purpose only. Mainnet trading is very risky because it involves real fund, and trading is too risky because the market is very volatile and you can easily lose your funds if you don't know how to trade. So if you don't know how to trade, avoid the mainnet. All right, so coming over here to reward, let me show you something real quick. Over here on the reward, you can see also we have about 7 days left. Also, you can see we have 7 days left for the mainnet reward distribution. We have 7 days and 4 hours left, and of course we have up to 150 million SoSovalue that is going to be shared to those who are actually trading. You can see 150 million SoSovalue points. And over here, guys, you can see you can also refer people to earn, trade to earn, deposits to the vault to earn. All right, so when I click on view my point right now, let's see what we're gonna have right here. Okay, view my points. I don't know why it's taking time. It doesn't show when I try to view my points. So now you have known everything. Okay, it's about to pop up. Okay, so it's about to show my points, though I haven't actually accumulated anything yet. All right, so over here you have already known that the snapshot date, the claim date, the how to participate on the testnet, and also how to go to the mainnet and the risks that are involved. All right, so right now the ball is now on your court. You can go ahead to choose if you want to be participating on the SoSovalue testnet airdrop and alongside the mainnet airdrop. Remember, we have the vault, but talking about the vault, it is only when you can be able to provide liquidity to the vault. This is also going to be earning you airdrop reward. All right, so but we don't have enough time to talk about that because this video is already very long. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video dropping soon. Keep on accumulating your exp points. This is going to be helping you very much in the future. All right, keep accumulating more and more exp points. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll be talking to you guys on the next video that's going to be dropping very soon.